What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vlog.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
So, good afternoon, you guys. Good afternoon, Papa.
What's good? It's your boy Jig Hollow.
Y'all, here is the tea. I've been getting messages like, where are you with your videos? Y'all, my sister Michelle has COVID. She has coronavirus. Everybody else has been tested and we're all negative, thank God.
I got tested twice.
Yeah, he got tested twice. Yeah, we're all negative, thank God. I look crusty, y'all. I don't got no makeup on but my eyebrows and some lipsticks, okay? I'm tired. Thank God, the way how my sister's house is set up, she has like her own wing with a bathroom. So her room is like away from everybody else's room. So she's literally been locked in her room for the last 3 days. Hasn't come out. When she needs stuff, we just leave it outside her door and then she'll take it. She has been locked in her room. She has her own bathroom and everything in there. And her room is like its own part of the house. Like, she's away from everybody else's house, everybody else's rooms. My niece's rooms and stuff is like on the other side of the house, okay? So, I'm on auntie duty. I have to go, and sister duty. I'm about to go run some errands that, you know, there's some stuff that they need. I gotta go take care of it. She's calling me. Lily needs her hair combed, which is gonna be like a fiasco all in itself. My niece don't like to get her hair combed. So yeah, I'm about to go to the joinery. I gotta go pick up some soup for my sister. She wants some spicy ramen to try to like sweat it out. Get the kids some poke bowls and boba tea. I'm gonna get a ramen. Take that over there. I gotta wash and do Lily's hair. I just bought this new blow dryer that has like a brush. That is like a blow dryer brush. And I gotta do her hair. So I'm about to do that. And I got a Walmart order. I have to cook for them, but it was like some stuff that I needed. So I did a Walmart order. So after that, I gotta go to pick up the Walmart stuff. Then I gotta cook them some food to last them for a few days. And I just gotta go love on them for a little bit, okay? So that's what we doing. My sister caught coronavirus from work. You guys know my sister is a nurse. Everybody else is negative, like I said. But nobody really be in contact with my sister like that because my sister works like every day. And she does 12-hour shifts. So she leaves like before everybody wakes up. And then she comes home at night when the kids is going to sleep. So nobody's been around her, and I've been at my own house working and stuff, so I haven't really been around her in the last weeks or so. So, you know, everybody's been tested, everybody's negative but her, and she's locked off in the dungeon. Well, not the dungeon, my sister's house is dope, so it ain't hardly no dungeon, okay?
Ain't no dungeon at all. Bro.
No. So yeah, it is beautiful out here. It's like almost 90 degrees. It is so hot. But anyway, I'm just filling y'all in on what I've been doing. I've been trying to take care of my family, okay? And that's what I'm doing today. So let's roll. Let's go to the joinery. Let's go pick up this food. All right. Alright, y'all, so we just got to the joinery. Pretty much the joinery is kind of like a upscale food court, kind of. Like, there's different restaurants inside and a bar. And yeah, that's how it's set up. It's not like food court kind of food. It's like upscale. Alright, y'all, so I just got here. The kids eating. I gotta clean up in here, y'all. It's a whole mountain of dishes. Like, I gotta clean up in here for them. The kids already was eating. I had to use the bathroom. I'll show you what you got. Ronnie got his Wendy's. Me, my water, my Lysol. I just been like spraying everything down and stuff. I gotta give my sister her food. The kids already eating. I gotta clean up in here. It's a mess in here. But that's my sister's room all the way over there.
Hi, sis.
All the way by herself. And everybody else's room is down there. Down that hallway. So she's away from everybody. Alright, let me do what I gotta do. I'll be back. So first off, this right here is a sushi burrito. See that? Okay. Okay, yeah, Lily, stop it. Because I'm sure you probably had quite a bunch of them.
I had to.
Yeah, they is up here mad. The Ronnie done came in here and ate their Krispy Kreme donut. And she is having a fit, y'all. Look at her face. Look at her face. She is tighter. Mind you, they just got this whole dozen of Krispy Kreme donuts. Ronnie got one, and it was the last one. Like, I'm sure you've had enough.
I had to.
I'm sure. So who ate the other? Who ate the? It's a whole dozen, Lily. Who ate the rest of them?
I don't know.
Okay. Anyway, y'all. I can't. I just had. Yeah, this is real life. She's like really upset that he done ate her donut.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
I had 3.
You had 3. So
I
Uncle Ronnie can't have one if you had 3, boo boo. Can he have one, please? Okay. I just bought you food. Just enjoy your food. It was the last one. Let him just have it.
But he's your only uncle. I know.
Anyway, y'all, here is my ramen. I get the tonkatsu, spicy tonkatsu. So look, this is how it looks. The noodles is right there under the meat and the veggies. And this is broth. Let me open it. Hold on. So this is the broth. Look at how nice and milky that is. So that's how you know that this is like the good stuff. Okay, this is like a good bone broth. So yeah, there's my ramen. Go ahead, pour the broth on top. These are special containers for the soup. You see the spoon. Okay, my chopsticks. I have some water. I'm gonna eat this real quick, and then I gotta clean up in here for them. Wash all these dishes and stuff. All right, so all my noodles is down in here. I gotta fix this. I'm one-handed, y'all. I'm not home, so I don't have my tripod, but all the noodles is down up under there. You can't even see. I can't get to them. Hold on, y'all. There they go. All the noodles is down up under there. Got my ramen. This is called the tonkatsu, spicy tonkatsu ramen, okay? So I'm about to eat this, and then I got to fight with Lily to do her hair. Lily, you had to get your hair done. She is irritated, y'all. I just cannot. This, you know what? Let me eat. I'll be back. She's fighting with me not for me to do her hair.
Touch my money, then lose all your fingers.
Touch my money, lose all your fingers. Y'all, this is real life over here. I'm like giving y'all a glimpse into like real life right here. Okay? Anyway, I'm about to eat. So we're about to do Lily's hair right now. She's got the shower. Her hair is damp. She has like a lot of knots in her hair. Okay, we're gonna be using my new blower brush right here. I bought this from Amazon. Let me know if you want me to leave a link. I'm gonna be using this Garnier, the Sleek and Shine, the cream, for as like a straightener and a heat protectant. Lily's over there eating the rest of my noodles. Alright, let's do this hair because I still gotta go to Walmart. Okay, you guys, so Lily's hair is done. What do y'all think? I think good, right? Doesn't that look nice? So I'll probably do, yeah, your hair's still warm, boo-boo. I'll probably do Bella's hair tomorrow. So Lily's hair is done. After school tomorrow, boo. So Lily's hair is done. What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, Miss Lily is filling her hair. Who is this big girl right here? Who is that? Girl, turn around. Show them the back. What? Okay, girl. Okay. Yeah, she is. First thing she did was get up and run to the bathroom. Alright, well, her hair is done. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
You look beautiful, baby.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna finish cleaning up this kitchen. Alright, y'all. I just finished cleaning up. Okay, oh, I need to go over there and fold those hand towels on the oven, but I'm done. All right, well, it's all about to spray everything down again. And yeah, I gotta go to Walmart, so let me finish up real quick. Oh, I'm sweating. Auntie and sister duties are done for the day. I'll come back over here tomorrow. All right, y'all, I just got home. Here's the Walmart stuff. I have a towel down because, y'all, the ice was melting everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got real quick. So first off, I got 4 of these chicken yakisoba. The kids really like this. I meant to leave this in the car, but, yeah, got that. I got a bunch of foil pans so I could pack up the food that I'm taking over there, like, you know, over the next couple of weeks. So I got some Brussels sprouts to go with the dinner I'm going to cook for tomorrow. I got some string beans. I've been liking this one. These are like the nice, thin, tender ones. So I got 2 bags of these. I got a big pack of chicken thighs. Okay, these are actually frozen from my freezer. I just took them out. But, I don't know, I just showed them to you because they're right here and I'm letting them thaw out. But some chicken thighs. I got some ramen noodles. These are the creamy chicken ones. I make my own like ramen bowls with like crispy bacon and shallots and all kind of stuff. One day I'll show you my noodle bowls. So I got 3 of those. I got some shredded cheese. I got more in the fridge that I already had. The kids want me to make some Millionaire's mac and cheese. So some triple cheddar, extra sharp, Kobe, Jack. And I got some more stuff to go on it. So I got that. Next, I got a few of these Tina's Red Hot Beef Burritos. You guys, these are like 50 cents and they're so good. With like some Kobe Jack cheese and sour cream. Like for something quick and fast, it's really good. So I got 3 of those. And a steak Hot Pockets for probably just around something quick and fast. So I got that. So right here, I got some jelly. I got some honey roasted peanut butter. That's what Ronnie likes, this kind of peanut butter and jelly. And I got some spicy brown mustard for my chicken marinade that I'm gonna make tomorrow. I'm doing fried chicken, mac and cheese, roasted Brussels sprouts. and maybe some cornbread. I'm gonna make some from my house, a couple plates, and then I'm gonna bring like a couple pans over to my sister's house so they have some food for a few days. And then I got a box of Dosey-Dos. The Girl Scouts are out. I wanted to support, so I got a box. These are the peanut butter oatmeal ones. Alright, so that's what I got. Yeah, I'm about to go chill for a little bit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, see you in the next one. Don't forget to do you, boo.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught. Why not?